At EU Business School, we help our students build their business personality with a hands-on, pragmatic approach in an international and professional learning environment. Established in 1973, EU has accompanied students on their path to success, offering tomorrow's leaders effective solutions both inside and outside the classroom. Our innovative programs are taught by an outstanding faculty that includes successful entrepreneurs, academics, and business leaders who focus on case studies from real business situations. Our small class sizes allow them to work with students on an individual basis to create a cooperative and caring learning environment where human values flourish. Thanks to our large network of campuses in Barcelona, Munich, Geneva, and Montreux, students are provided with valuable transfer opportunities, and our online campus makes it possible for students to study from any location around the world. For students who want to add a truly global and multicultural perspective to their education, they can also choose to study almost anywhere in the world with one of our international partners.
The best thing about the EU is that theory meets practice.
Of course, it's not like the teachers just stand down the front and lecture you, they engage you.
Our international approach to business education, provided entirely in English, prepares our graduates for careers in today's rapidly evolving and globalized business world.
The teaching method that we try to implement here, it's very pragmatic. And we try to use the dogmatics because that's necessary from an academic point of view, but then we try to put that into real cases, into real life situations. So it's very applied science.
At EU, students regularly interact with industry experts and leading international businesses. Guest speakers visit EU campus to share their expertise, and students take part in industrial visits to local and international companies for a behind-the-scenes look at how the theoretical concepts they are learning in the classroom are applied to real situations.
They've really changed the way that they've approached students about organizing these industrial visits and guest speakers.
EU offers educational and professional support throughout student studies and beyond. As they begin to think about their careers and plan for the future, our Career Services Department provides students and graduates with guidance and advice through workshops, internship placements, CV assistance, and much more.
EU is not only a business school, it's an international community where people come together from all over the world and we teach each other about our norms and our values.
When they graduate, students will become part of EU's active network of alumni from around the world. Professionals who have started their own companies, lead businesses, and are successful in various walks of life. EU's main objective is to inspire and guide students as they create their futures and push boundaries within themselves and in the world around them.